SVERKER Viewer software. SVERKER Viewer software can be used for quick reporting, graphical representation of results, and also table view of results. After completion of the test, the results can be copied using a USB from SVERKER kit. So we can remove this and connect the USB. The results that are saved are available here as Main, Test 1, Engineer 1. Click on this Home button. Click on the Reports tab. Test 1, Engineer 1 is available here. You can see here inside the pen drive, outside the pen drive. So click on the Import the pen drive and press the tick mark. Now this has been successfully copied in the pen drive. Remove the pen drive. Now let me connect it to my computer. It's connected to my computer, open files to view, so you can see it's stored in S9A format. Copy the files on the laptop. Open SVERKER Viewer software. Full screen. Open. Browse and open the file. We have the options to do the following. Edit test report, the 3 test cases available. You can enter the names, the details, the serial number, the type, including a header. Where you want this to appear, you can click here, add rows, and also give more details as per the requirement, or you can remove the rows. You can enable or disable for each test case and add rows independently. You can also save it as a template, edit template, and you can enter the site details, the location, who has tested it, which date you have tested. All this information can be saved as a template, and you can also add rows and remove rows to add more information here. After completion, you can also view the results as a PDF file. This is the results page. You can see here it's the IDMT test that we did earlier, with a graphical view along with the table. You can also change the order of these test cases by moving up or down. Test 1, Test 2, Test 3. So the order can be changed for each test here. So Test 3 moves up. You can create groups or remove groups like this. And let me generate a PDF preview and save PDF file. You can save it as a PDF file. Let me save it on the desktop. And this is the PDF file. The results cannot be edited using this software. Only the template can be modified and the arrangements as described earlier.